Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in this video we are going to do the unboxing of the Airdopes 131 by boAt. And I've been using this Airdopes 131 for the past 2 years and in black color, so I decided to get one more pair in white color. So let me just unbox this and show you. And by the way, the main reason of getting this is for the discounted price wise. I got this for 7.99, so you all can check out the link in the description to get it on Amazon for a discounted price. And we have this documentation with nobody reads, and we again get a type C connector cable. And let me just remove this again, guys. The Airdopes 131 is having one of the best sound signatures compared to its price point, because around 800 rupees you don't get any other headphones which sound as good as this. And especially the microphone quality had been great, guys. And you just have to remove this, and this looks like a AirPods clone from Apple. And this is how it looks. It got some charging indicator and a type C connector over here which you can charge it. And I think type C is now a standard. And if you like this kind of videos, guys, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel, and please do not forget to press that bell notification icon to get any future updates whenever we upload any new video. And as you can see, it is very tiny, compact, which is similar to the AirPods. And this shows the charging indicator, guys. So right now it is 66% battery is left. And once I put this inside and close the lid, it is just going to show me the exact charging capacity. And once this is closed, it starts blinking the other two lights, which shows indicating that it is charging the Airdopes. And this is one of the best sounding headphones you can get. I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel and do check out these awesome videos which we have it. Let me know in the comments below which headphones you all are using and whether you are planning to buy the Airdopes 131. Again, guys, thanks a lot for watching this video, and see you in my next video.